Oh, yeah?
Hi guys, welcome to Effort Fit. We're trying to fit. I'm the Barry, and this is Papa Jay, and he will survive.
Alright, so we have Nespresso, leaking water,
and not turning on. Oh, it turns on, but I don't want to heat up the water.
and then stop.
And stuff. Got water. Got a towel for my sweat.
And the table.
And the table. And that's basically it, guys. So, thanks, Papa Jay. We're gonna try to fix this thing up.
Yeah, so first things, how much did you buy it for? How did I buy it for?
Yeah, sorry. Hi Mom, hi Dad.
Loves you.
So we bought it for 200 Rand from Facebook Marketplace.
Roughly $12.
Yeah, and nothing for us in South Africa, obviously. It was a not young, it was a lady. She said after load shedding, it didn't work anymore. So
Load shedding is like when we don't have power in South Africa.
yeah, schedules.
Alright, so let's show you the water problem we have. Alright, eh?
Right, let's plug it in.
How you doing?
I'm doing good, man. Okay, popping the water right in there. Okay, water's in. Press the machine on. And that's basically it.
Yeah, that's basically the big problem we've seen. But then you have a trick to make it leak water. Let's just not ruin the table, you know.
Yeah, that's not.
Let's use your sweat blanket.
Okay, perfect.
Alright, so this is the problem we have.
Boom. Boom. You hold it in.
And then
It's puking a little bit of water here, but the rest is just basically pouring out underneath it.
as you can see,
The water tank is going down.
okay, as you can see. But yeah, there's a lot of water, so we can stop this madness.
Okay.
And let's ruin a perfectly good table.
Okay, it's old oak.
Old oak, yeah? Alright, so let's open it up and see what the hell's going on.
Okay guys, so we jerry-rigged this thing here. Hopefully this will work. I'm gonna plug it in. So explosion in 3, 2, 1. Great success, no explosions. Okay.
Good.
Now we're gonna press both buttons and hold them in and see what happens.
Okay, where's the water coming out?
Okay.
Alright, we know.
Okay.
Alright, so it seems to be around there. So something's wrong with this unit in there.
Okay.
Which is strange. So let's see.
Hello! Okay guys, so we're back. After we sacrificed another machine to get so that was a Dolce Gusto, I think it's a Piccolo, not quite sure. It was one. So we got two heat fuses out of them because the other two was fried.
So we figured out that these things were fried. So we got 2 new ones.
And hopefully we will be able to put them on the new machine. Even though this is quite badly damaged, Jaco did test the voltage regulator. That looks like it's working even though it looks very bad. We hope that the thermometer is working even though it also looks a bit bad, but that's, I don't know how to test that at all. So, wish us luck.
Shenane. I'm tired. This takes long.
I'm wondering if that is like ground or not.
Yeah, it's a ground and a heatsink for your voltage regulator.
Oh, that's quite messed up here in the back.
So the heatsink touches over there. Around this.
Thingamajig. Thingamajig.
Alright.
Rightio!
So we're gonna break some rules now, so we're not gonna show you. We're just gonna do and then we'll bring you back.
Hopefully, once we bring you guys back, it's sort of fixed or hopefully working a bit. Yeah,
so the idea is, so we have our clips over here, and then we have a really long piece of wire. So this is a heat fuse, so if it gets too hot it's going to blow, but we have, because we don't have any of the clamps.
Clamps or the crimping tools.
So we're going to figure out which one it went to, and then we're going to solder it on the one end, and then solder it on the, and then one end gets a clamp, one end doesn't. So,
great!
Get
Okay, so the plan is, because you don't have the right connections to crimp it on there, or just pop it on, we have to solder it on there. And also, we can't take too long, otherwise the heating fuses will pop. So, already placed them ready there and there. So,
focus.
Focus, boy, focus. So I'm just gonna heat up some solder and just plop it on there. That's it.
Great.
Great success. I'm the boss.
So it's a pretty ghetto, but I know you won't see jack, but it's been soldered. It's solid. It's
Solid.
And there's continuity and all of that, so we didn't blow the fuse, anything like that, so we're cool.
Now we need to try to assemble it again.
So we're gonna do a reassemble, it's boring, and then yeah.
Hopefully it works. Okay, guys, so we got it as far as possible to test it, so coffee pod, open it up. I don't think I'm supposed to press it. Anyway. Okay, wait. Okay, it's closed. It's just drawing things, okay?
It is what it is.
Let's get a cup. Let's switch on the power. Okay, power is on. Pressing the button to switch it on, and okay, got blinking lights. It was doing exactly this. I hear it heating up, but I'm scared it's gonna explode.
Yeah. Nothing's melting.
But wait, we gotta press the button.
Okay, water is going. Okay. I see water on the inside.
I see water everywhere except where it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Let's press it again.
Ooh. Yes.
Okay. Let's switch it off. Let's switch it off.
Alright. Take two. Yeah, it's not lekker. But even when you open it up, does the pot fall through?
Yeah. Oh, this was close. Okay, guys. It's been, I don't know, an hour. After some troubleshooting, we disassembled the whole thing. Me and Jaco again. We took off like a whole nozzle spout thing. Saw that because of the heating issues, obviously some of the plastic melted. What we might have thought happened was the O-ring might have shifted while the plastic was melting. So yeah, we cleaned up everything. We arranged the O-ring, and here goes nothing.
Okay, water is coming out at the right places though.
That is true. Let's switch it on. Okay. Perfect.
Green lightos. Oh, which one is mine?
Yeah, that's one.
I want coffee.
Pod. Open. Place. Close. Lock. Moment of truth.
Oh no.
Yep. Yay!
Gets in there. Solid.
It's a bit slow.
But there's no leakage.
That we
Can't see anything there.
Whoa.
It could be working though. I actually also have a torch.
What it's with, it's not leaking.
Yeah, I actually forgot we had a torch. But yeah, in the past you could see the leakage happening in there. And did you get shocked?
Yes, I did. I did 220 volts. It's nothing, I'm fine.
Okay, cool. It's a bit slow.
Hopefully it gets better over time.